Listen. Listen to the wind. Look at the shadows and the contrast with the sky. You probably ask yourself, what is this? And I answer, it's a game. A beautiful game. Nature playing. Some people search their whole life for things. We witness every day that struggle, the constant race to get things. Others search fulfillment, get that job, advance in your career, get a degree, build a family, become somebody. But most of them forget to stop, to actually live, to look around them, to stop and admire, to appreciate what God gave us. What about me? I'm not much different. I still search for those things. But what I search the most are moments.
You wear me down. My actions will be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
Those seconds when time stops and you truly enjoy something. Those minutes when you discover something special, an amazing place, nature, a building, a tree, a piece of art. Those moments when you see beauty and you know that real life is all about it. Simple, perfect moments. When you fall asleep listening to the ocean, those seconds when the sun goes down in the most amazing sunset on the beach you've ever seen.
My actions will be forgiven. When we first met,
Those moments when you listen to the city noise,
a simple text.
those moments when you know life is all about that. And the good thing is, I want to share those moments with you. 2019 was a good year. I traveled, I spent some time with my family and with my friends. I discovered new places and I searched for those special moments. I hope 2020 is going to be even more for me and for you.